Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, hope you will all fine. So today I will tell you how we can get $30 no deposit bonus from new broker. So guys, I am going to search the broker name mtrading.com. Okay, so guys, it will be open. So first of all, you have to just read terms and condition and how you can claim no deposit bonus from them. So first of all, we will check with them. Just wait a minute. So here you can check promotion. So $30 welcome bonus. Okay guys, here you can see on a website get 30 welcome bonus. Start your forex journey with our no deposit bonus. So guys, first of all, if you want to read and you want to know what is the terms and condition to get the no deposit bonus and how we can withdraw the profit from them, so we will check with them. Okay, so I just said them that hello sir, I will write here sir, I want to ask about $30 no deposit bonus. Okay guys, so just send a message to them, sir, I want to ask about $30 no deposit bonus. So what's the terms and condition to withdraw profit from bonus, from $30 no bonus. Okay guys, you can check it. I send a message to their support and I think they are online now, so they will give us answers. So we also read the terms and condition here. So I am going to cut here. I will go to in promotion option. Here you can check it, the promotion option. Okay, I click on 30 welcome bonus. So get 30 welcome bonus, trade forex and see a free risk free. So guys, you no need to deposit funds, no risk involved, no fear of losing your money. Withdrawable profit, the profit earned is yours to keep. Note, exciting clients who have been registered with mtrading for more than 24 hours are not eligible to apply for this welcome bonus. Okay guys, so that means if you have an already account with them, you cannot claim the $30 no deposit bonus. So here we can check what they said us. So they're saying the rules are as follow. Okay, so they send me a message on support. They have guys, they have live chat, so they give me answers which I have asked the question from them. Sir, what is terms and conditions to withdraw profit from $30 no deposit bonus? So the rules are follows at least 5 lots to trade to start withdraw. You have 40 days to trade using the bonus. Maximum profit is 200, so you cannot withdraw more than 200. You can not deposit to the account with no deposit. Trade have to be at least 5 minutes long. So guys, they are saying to me that you have to complete 5 lots in 40 days and you can only withdraw 200, not more. So as well as they said the trade must open 5 minutes. If you trade your USD GBP, any pair you are trading, and you can do not hit like scalping, so you have to wait for 5 minutes long trades. That means they have give some hard terms and condition, but guys, so it's no deposit bonus. So guys, hope you will understand what they are saying now. So how you can claim it. So now I'm asking to them how we can get it. How we can get it. That means they will give an answer to account type please, and what leverage. So guys, I will go again to the promotion option page. Here they written that get bonus. Okay, so I am going to click on get bonus. Here I will type my email address. Okay, here I type email address. Okay, so they are asking to me a full name. Okay, so I am giving my full name, Mudamin. Okay, so that's my mobile number 0242 3670162. Okay, so I am going to sign up. Okay, registration success. We have sent you an email with a confirmation link. Please follow the link, login. If you do not see the email in your inbox, please check in spam folder. Okay, so guys, a bonus account, but it's not active in every region. Where are you from? So guys, that's very good. They are saying to me that some countries are not eligible for this bonus. So I am going to tell them that I am from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. From Pakistan. Okay guys, let's see what they will be say. I think okay guys, here you can check it. Email from them. I think I get it. Okay, so here you can check it. Welcome to M Trading. Okay, I am going to trader room. So let's see guys. Guys, many trader asking me a question, sir. Please give us the link in which we have to open an account. So guys, in YouTube videos you will check it that I have already explained in starting that you can search mtrading.com on Google. So you will find the website. So guys, they are saying to me please choose a password so you can log in on it. Okay, so guys, I will just give the password. So now I have to check with them and what they are saying. So let's see what they will answer to me. So guys, you have to ask them on a live chat that if they are allow your country or not. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope guys will understand what I explain in this video. Thank you so much guys.